For the last couple of months it has been really warm and sunny here in the UK. So I decided it was the perfect opportunity to show you how to make a natural cyanotype with turmeric. First we're gonna create a solution with turmeric powder. Turmeric is very sensitive to UV lights, which means the sun. So when the pigment is exposed to the sun, it will fade. To create a cyanotype, we're gonna put an object on top of the paper, and this object is gonna protect the turmeric pigment so it doesn't fade. First we need to create the turmeric solution. For this we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the regular powder that you can find in the supermarket. And we're gonna mix it with alcohol. If you're gonna do this experiment with kids, I suggest to use some antibacterial gel, like the one we used during COVID. Once we create the solution, we can apply it to the paper. I'm using watercolor paper because it absorbs the solution better. You can apply the solution with a brush, or you can also use a sponge. While we let our paper to dry, I'm gonna go to our garden to pick up some flowers and some leaves that I want to photograph with this technique. Remember to have fun in this part of the process. Think about the all different texture and all different silhouettes that you can obtain from these plants. Once the paper with the solution is dry, we're gonna put it outside, put our leaves on the top, and then we're gonna cover with some glass. The glass is to increase the contact from the object to the solution, and also to avoid that the plant, the leaf or the flower will move during the process. And then we just have to wait for the sun to do his magic. Here I let it outside for 40 minutes, and now we can see the results. As you can see, all the pigment around has disappeared, and only the one that was protected by the fern leaf stay intact. You can leave your cyanotype like this, or you can also use a small container filled with water, add a little bit of bicarbonate soda, and put the paper just a couple of seconds, and you will notice that the turmeric would react with the soda bicarbonate and it would change color. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this technique and are willing to try. If you have any recommendations of any other videos that I should do next, please let me know in the comment. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!